Hello, everyone. As a passionate developer, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a project that I've dedicated my time and energy to. Folder Locker Project isn't just a piece of software, it's a reflection of my commitment to enhancing privacy and security for everyday users. In today's digital age, the protection of our personal data is of utmost importance. That's why I've created a user-friendly solution that allows you to lock and unlock folders with ease, ensuring your data remains safe from prying eyes. Beyond folder locking, Folder Locker Project offers the added convenience of sending encrypted emails with folder details. Now, you can securely share your locked folder's name and password with trusted recipients, adding an extra layer of privacy to your communications. The flexibility of Folder Locker Project sets it apart. You have the power to choose where you save your locked folders, giving you control over your digital workspace. I built this project to empower users with a straightforward yet effective solution for their data security needs. Whether you're protecting sensitive documents, family photos, or confidential work files, your project name is designed to be your trustworthy ally in the realm of digital privacy. Behind the scenes, our technology stack combines batch scripting and Python for sending emails, ensuring a simple yet reliable user experience. Folder Locker Project is more than just a tool, it's a commitment to providing individuals with a sense of control and security in an ever-evolving digital world. Your feedback and support are invaluable as I continue to refine and expand Folder Locker Project. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and suggestions as we work together to make the digital world a safer place. Thank you for being a part of this journey.